Hello and welcome to Homemade Food. Today we are going to make sweet lassi. To make sweet lassi, we have taken 200 grams of curd, around same amount of ice cold water, sugar as per taste, and we will flavor it with gulab jal. So we'll take half a teaspoon of gulab jal. So let's get started. In a mixer grinder, add the curd, sugar and gulab jal and mix it well. After mixing it, we'll add the water and mix it well. Our lassi is ready, so now let's serve it. It is amazing in taste and an excellent refreshment for summer. So you should definitely try this and drink lassi instead of cold drinks. Thanks for watching Homemade Food. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.